How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to start a conversation with a girl. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more detail. The best way to start a conversation with a girl over text is just by jumping right into it and being a nice guy. This works for text. It will work if you're talking in person as well too. The reason most guys screw this up is because they're a dick to the girls. Another reason why they screwed up is because they have no idea what to talk about with the girl. So I'm going to tell you guys some tips that will help you start a conversation with a girl and how to keep it going for a decent period of time. To start a conversation with a girl in person or over text, just start off by saying, hey, how's it going? That's really all you need to say. You don't need to say anything complicated, anything fancy, and don't say anything cheesy the first time. That's stupid, and by saying that, it's just going to completely ruin things. So don't say some cheesy pickup line. Do not say that. Just, have you fallen from heaven because you're the only 10 I see or something like that? Don't say that, you guys. Is that how it goes? That's not how it goes. So again, don't say that. You'll screw it up.
Are you from Tennessee because you're the only 10 I see?
Yeah, if you're from Tennessee, you're the only 10 I see. Don't say stuff like that. Say, how's it going? And what you do after that, and here's the main thing, you guys, the main thing to make this happen is you talk about what you're interested in. Whatever you're interested in. So if you're interested in hunting, fishing, if you're interested in playing baseball, if you're interested in weightlifting, fitness, cooking, doesn't matter, whatever you're interested in, talk about that. Now, some of you are thinking, well, I've heard that you should talk about stuff that she likes. Completely false, you guys, completely wrong. The reason for this is because if you talk about what she likes and not what you like, then chances are you're just going to be saying a lot of bullshit that you really don't care about and you're just trying to impress her. She's instantly going to know this. If you're 600 pounds and you're saying that you lift weights 5 times a week, she's going to know that's a lie. But if you're actually pretty jacked, you got some muscle, and you're trying to impress her, she's into fitness too. You start talking about fitness, you talk about a workout routine, diet plan, she's going to be super interested. You guys are going to have a long conversation, and the conversation's actually going to last for a decent period of time. And when she asks you questions, then you can answer them because you know the topic that you are talking about. This is why so many people screw this up. And if you're not interested, and the thing is, you should be interested in someone with the same hobbies as you, same interests. If you're trying to strike up a random conversation about something that you really don't know about, then you're not going to be really legit about it. You're not really going to like it. So I recommend talking about interests that you enjoy. And even if she doesn't like, even if she's not into fitness, you still talk about things you like, you can still get her because when you're talking, it's going to show that you have passion for what you're talking about, and it's going to work. I will put a link in the description box for items that will help you pick up girls, so highly recommend checking the link in the description box. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.